We actually kicked it off with a video from Dr. Dixon. He's our innovator-in-chief, and we recorded a video with him explaining what it was, explaining the value of it, and that was how we first kicked it off and shared it to all of our caregivers. And then we had a complete communications plan that included screensavers, wallpaper, email, hub. The hub is our internal intranet, so we had hub news, and the way it rolled out, it was entity by entity. We started at some of the smaller entities, we learned lessons, and we got better at rolling it out each time. We just learned how to tailor things a little bit better, to time some of the communications a little bit better. And at our different organizations, for instance, Harrington, which is one of our smaller, newer entities, they had different communications vehicles than some of the other ones. They had it's a much smaller organization. They have a Friday email from their president, so we made sure we leveraged that. So we had to kind of tweak it according to the different organizations and the tools that they had available. We also tried to have a little fun with it too, to get their attention. Part of the whole launching to Innovation Station, we akined it to the launch of the International Space Station, because that's bringing different organizations, different countries together to innovate. And so that's how we connected to it too. So our screensavers, some of our communications captured in that sort of fun, interesting, and it was eye-catching to see some of those sort of spacey looking images. So that was kind of a fun thing that we did.